Couldn't tell if he had it or not. Dang it. Oh, that's a good fish. Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome to Big Bear Fishing. Alright, so today I have something really special for you. We're gonna do some pond We're gonna do some pond fishing. I think that was a bass hitting. Okay, we gotta stay focused. Today we're gonna do some pond fishing. I got a new lure. I actually bought this, I want to say back in, I think it was February, and it is a custom rat, well, mouse, I think, kind of looks like a mouse, but I'll show you. I'm gonna get it out of here, but it's Jack Crouse of Headley Lures is the one who made this, and of course I'll link it down below, but he makes all these wooden lures by hand. He uses a lathe, then he puts all the the eyes on and everything else, so it's really cool. But I really want to get fishing, but I want to show you guys this, and I'll get it out of here. I'll show you his card and stuff, and then like I said, I'll link it down below. But today we're gonna be trying this out. I'm really excited. It was, I'm pretty sure it was the Raleigh Expo, the fishing saltwater and freshwater expo back in February, I believe. I bought this, but normally I don't buy custom lures, but I did. I bought one, so let's go use it. All right, y'all, so look at this lure. I mean, the craftsmanship on it is just crazy. I take these rubber things off the hooks, but this is his information, so you can check him out right in the frame there. But that's his information. He makes multiple lures, and this was just the one that I chose, but really cool. 11 of 24, and then he's got Headley right there, but just a cool lure. But I'm gonna tie this on. We need to get to fishing. There are storm clouds, and the sky is going to fall out any minute now, so hopefully we can catch some fish before that happens. But let's get after it. All right, y'all, so I'm throwing this on my my heavy setup. It's not super heavy, but I think this rod will handle, yeah, this rod will handle it better. Kinks worked out. I haven't used this rod and reel in a while because I've been focusing on the BFS so much. Alright, here's the fun part. We're gonna see all the things that this lure can do. Try walking the dog first. Alright, I don't know if it'll walk or not. I'm gonna fish it more like a popper to start off with. Yeah, it kind of did like a little sideways skip there, didn't it? Maybe just little pops. Yeah, can kind of walk the dog a little bit there. Couldn't tell if he had it or not. Dang it. Well, there's a hit. Couldn't tell if he had it in his mouth or not, so I was like, well, probably better go ahead and set the hook. Oh well. Hook sets are free. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to switch over to a loop knot. The loop knot that I use is called the Canoe Man's loop knot. So we're going to hang the lure right here for a second. Alright, so all you do is you make a loop right like that. Make another loop. You bring that loop through there like that. I kind of like cinch it down just a little bit, just like that. And then we take the tag end, put it through, bring that back through like that. Oop, there was a pass. Then shimmy it down towards the lure. Should be pretty good right there. And then cinch it. Alright, there it goes. Let's see if we can't walk the dog with that. Oh yeah, that's easier. I was getting it to walk before, but it wasn't the easiest to walk. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's a good fish. Alright, found a rat eater, or a mouse eater, whichever. But you just barely ate that, didn't you? Alright, put you back down to the water and put you back. Alright y'all, so that was a good fish. Hopefully we catch a bigger one, but I'd be happy with that. So all in all so far, really cool little lure. I think that this tying the loop knot I think was a game changer, because I'm getting a lot better action out of it now. So it's definitely a loop knot instead of like a straight knot. Gives you that walk the dog action that you need on it. I mean, you could just do like little pops with it, but I don't think that's as effective. Alright y'all, since this does have this front prop on it, I kind of want to see, I'm actually going to bend that forward just a little bit. Alright, let's try that out. We're going to fine tune this thing. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's do a straight retrieve. Just real, so if you do it slow, that blade spins. Got him. They're just like coming up so easy and grabbing the lure. Like it's not, they're not like really coming up and just like completely smacking it. They're just kind of coming up and just like barely grabbing it. Alright, see you, buddy. Best part is the gator didn't hear anything. So I think The straight retrieve, you can straight retrieve this thing and it's pretty cool, but I don't think the straight retrieve is gonna get me bit today because everything's come on like a kind of like a walk the dog, which I can do because I loop knotted it. Oh, how did he miss it? Like, I took time, let him eat it. Okay, I know I let him eat that. Alright y'all, so I really want to catch one on a straight retrieve with this. So I think for the rest of the time that I have, I got like maybe an hour and a half left. I think I'm just going to do straight retrieve and see if I can get a fish on the straight retrieve. He came back after it. That was so cool. So cool. You're hungry, huh? He was like, oh, I missed it. I go back after it. You're hungry, huh? Alright. Alright, y'all, that's it for today. So yeah, castability 10 out of 10, durability 10 out of 10, hooks 10 out of 10, action 10 out of 10. Such a cool lure. It held up really well. Caught fish, we fished it walking the dog, we fished a straight retrieve, caught fish both ways, missed fish. Wasn't the lure's fault, it's the fish's fault, but really cool lure. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll link this down below, and he has other sizes and other baits too, like poppers and stuff, so go check him out. I'll catch y'all next time. Take care.